Welcome everybody. Today we are going to start with exercise 4.2 of chapter 4th simple equations. So in the previous video we have done the exercise 4.1. So now we are going to start with exercise 4.2 from the first question. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. X minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So here, if here is minus, so we will plus 1 here. So x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. So the value of x will be 1. So we have done. So now b, which is x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here is plus, so we will subtract 1. X plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1, which will be minus 1. So the value of x will be minus 1. Now with c, which is x minus 1 is equal to 5. So here is subtract, so we'll add 1. X minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1, which will be 6. So the value of x will be 6. Now d, which is x now d, which is x plus 6 is equal to 2. So it is plus, so we will subtract minus 6. X plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 2 minus 6, which will be 4. So the sign of bigger number is minus 4. Value of x will be minus 4. Now e, which is y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. So it is minus, so we will add plus 4 into this. Y minus 4 plus 4 is equal to minus 7 plus 4. So plus 4, which will be plus minus 7 minus 4 is 3. Sign of bigger number is minus. The value of x will be minus 3. D will be f y, which is y minus 4 is equal to 4. So it will be y minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 4. So 4 plus 4, which will be 8. Value of y will be 8. Now G, which is y plus 4 is equal to 4, y plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 4 minus 4, which will be 0. So the value of y will be 0. Now H, which is y plus 4 is equal to minus 4, which will be y plus 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 4 minus 4, which will be minus 8. So the value of value of y will be minus 8. Now we have done with question number 1. So we are going to start question number 2, which is give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the question. So from the question number 1, which is a 3l is equal to 42. So first we will divide it by 3. So 3l upon 3 is equal to 42 upon 3, which will be 42 divided by 3, which will be 14. So the value of L will be 14. Now B, is B divided upon 2 is equal to 6. So here we will multiply it by 2. So B into 2 upon 2 is equal to 6 into 2, which will be 12. So the value of B will be 12. Now C, which is P upon 7 is equal to 4, which is, so we will multiply it by 7. So P into 7 upon 7 is equal to 4 into 7, which will be 28. The value of P will be 28. Now D, which is 4x is equal to 25. Here we will multiply it by 4. 4x divided by 4. 4x upon 4 is equal to 25 upon 4. So 25 is not divisible by 4. So it will be like this only. So the answer will be 25 upon 4. So the value of x will be 25 upon 4. Now E, which is 8y is equal to 36. So 8 y, we will divide it by 8. 8y upon 8 is equal to 36 upon 8. So here 36 divided by 8, which will be, it will be like this. It will be 2, 4, 2 ja 8 and 9, 4 ja 36. So 9 upon 2, the value of y will be 9 upon 2. Now f, which is z upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 4. It is z. So here we will multiply it, then divide it. It is f is z upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 4. So we will multiply the both sides by 3. So z into 3 upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 3 is upon 4. So it will be 5 into 3, which is 15. So the value of z will be 15. Now g, which is a upon 5 is equal to 7 upon 15. So here also we will multiply it by 5. So a into 5 upon 5 is equal to 7 into 5 upon 15. It will be 35. So the value of a will be 35. Now h, which is 20t is equal to minus 10. 20t is equal to minus 10. So here we will divide it by 20. 20 upon 20, 20t upon 20 is equal to minus 10 upon 20, which will be so 20 t is equal to minus 10. We will multiply it, divided by 20. 20 is equal to minus 10 upon 20, which will be is equal to 20 divided by minus 10, which will be minus 1 and 2. So the value of t is minus 1 upon 2. So we have done question number 2. So we are going to start with question number 3, which is give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. A, we are going to start with first, which is a 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. So here first we will add 2 from the both sides because it is subtract here. So 3n minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 46 plus 2, which will be 48. So the value of 3 n is 48. Now dividing both sides as 3. So it will be 3n upon 3 is equal to 48 upon 3. So 48 divided by 3, which will be 316, and value is 16.